वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 12.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कवर करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन द हीरोइंस फॉर्मूला। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज a triangle and a parabola parallelogram has same base and the same base and same area. If the sides of the triangle are this, and this. The parallelogram stands on the base. Base is given. Find the height. Height हमें find out करनी है. Area same है. So what we can do? We can find out the area of the triangle through Heron's formula, right? So solution we are proposing. Solution is let the sides of the triangle is A, B, C. So we are having the value of A 26 centimeter, value of B that is 20 centimeter and value of C 30 centimeter. ये साइड्स ट्राइंगल की गिवन है। हमें निकालना है एरिया। हीरोइंस फॉर्मूला के लिए हमें सेमी पेरीमीटर की जरूरत पड़ेगी। उसका फॉर्मूला होता है एडिशन ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल डिवाइड बाय 2। So this will be 26 plus 28 and plus 30 and divide the complete term by 2. So when we add all these, this will come 84. Divide by 2, that will come 42 centimeter. Now next, we can calculate all the three values which are going to used by Heron's formula. So these are S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S minus A will be 42 minus 26. So that comes out to be 16 centimeters, and S minus B is 42 minus 26, sorry 28, that is 14 centimeters, and the last one is 42 minus 30, so that will be 12, that is 12 centimeters. So that's how we can calculate. Now we have to find out the area of triangle. So we have to first write down the formula so that there is no chances of mistake. We can write S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, right? So we can put all the values. Value of S is 42, S minus A is 16, S minus B is 14 and S minus C is 12. So that's how we can write it. Now further, we can do the factorization, right? So how we can write 42? 7, 2 into 3. How we can write 16? At 4 into 4. We can also write 2 into 2 and again 2 into 2. That is 14 is 7 into 2 and this is 2 into 3 and into 2. So that's how we can write. Now we can make the factorize pairs so that we can calculate the under root. So this 7 will make a pair 7 This 2 will make a pair with this 2. This will be 2. This will 3. This is 3. Make a pair with this 3. So we are having 3. These 2 are going to make a pair. This 2 and this 2 is going to make a pair. Now this 2 is going to make a pair with this 2. So we are having 2. All are in multiple. So that's how we can easily find out the square root. So this comes out to be, if you multiply all these, this comes out to be 3, 3, 6 centimeters. This is part 2. So that is the area of a triangle. Now the area of the triangle and the area of the parallelogram is same. So now the calculation start for the parallelogram, right? So for parallelogram, right? तो एरिया कैसे निकालते हैं? फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? एरिया इज इक्वल टू बेस into height. That is the formula for finding the area of the parallelogram. So what we are having? Area is equal to the area of triangle. So as हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं A to Q. ठीक है? As per the question, area is 336. That is equal to base is given to us. That is 28. Right? 28 centimeters square. We have to find out height. So here we can write also the area. That step we taken because area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle, which is equal to 336 centimeters square. Fine. Next, the base is given. The base is 28 centimeters. So both the quantities are given. We have to calculate the height. So the height of the parallelogram will be equal to 336 divided by 28. Right? So after cancellation the common factor, we are having 12 centimeters. So this is the height of the parallelogram and this is the answer for this question. Hope you like the solution. Please subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon.